Hi guys, so we've got a different one today. Today's a collaboration between Matchbox and Mr Brainwash. So this is a unique piece. Obviously it's mini related, hence why it's on the channel. But yeah, I'm just gonna quickly unbox it so you can guys see what this is all about. It's quite a unique box art, to be fair. The idea is basically that it's the Austin Mini Cooper S. It's been customized. Each one is individual by Mr Brainwash, hence why sort of waited a year for this to turn up. But it's a great collaboration, obviously classic mini, and who doesn't love a classic mini basically. So again, all this is all unique. It was sort of limited edition run. We'll open up the box. There we go here. So we've got, if I stand this up quickly, so we've got sort of a bit of blurb, the partnership between the two. Matchbox on its 70th anniversary. Mr Brainwash has sort of done his thing. If you know who he is, you know what it is. An art is an adventure. Kind of fits well with Mini as an adventure. So you got the box here. So the classic box style, all in here. So then you can pop your classic Mini in here. I'll open that a second later on. And obviously here I've got the customized. Each is one of one. Classic Mini. These are all sort of all individually made basically. They weren't sadly numbered, but yeah, so that's kind of the top, the sides. Yeah, it's all kind of cool in that aspect. Yeah, so this is a bit more on the box side of things. I'm just going to pause for a sec, come back. Yeah, so it's just very much your traditional box. It's got this cool rubberized texture to it to make it look like all classic and everything. Yeah, kind of like it's all really funky, so I waited over a year for this to turn up. It's well worth the wait. It's got its own box and everything is all really special. Yeah, I'll give you guys a bit more of a close at the classic Mini then. Take out this little box. Okay, it's locked in, but yeah, I'll leave it in there. I'll give you guys a slow rotation. Again, very much a different one this time around, opposed to doing all the fancy mini stuff. But yeah, it's a cool one. Just wanted to show you guys what it looked like, because again, I know a lot of the people out there on my travels and stuff in America and the US, across Europe and the UK, that people love classic Mini models and they sort of collect them. So this one's added onto my next piece. But yeah guys, that was a quick overview of it all. Again, something different from JCW Ventures this time around. Just wanted to show you guys something a bit more different. I love it, to be fair. Mr Brainwash has done his thing on this. Look forward to collecting more pieces. But yeah guys, this wraps up this short video. Just a quick overview what it was like. But as always guys, it's always a mini adventure.